Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Itlab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a chapter 5 of recently launched Excel 2022 course, focusing on Exp22 Excel chapter 5 ML1 Real Estate. You can contact me for your assignment, quizzes, exam or complete course. Here is project description. You can see project description to get idea about your project. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Title of assignment is Exp22 Excel ML1 RealEstate. Let's start our assignment to solve step by step. First, we will download Excel file from Itlab dashboard. I have already downloaded Excel file from Itlab dashboard. You can see here. Moving on step number 2. Step number 2 is that sort the list by city in alphabet order, then by selling agent in alphabet orders. Go to Excel file, click on city and go to the sort and filter, custom order, custom sort. First we will select city, its alphabet order, click on. Then we will sort then selling agent in alphabet orders. Then we will select selling agent, go to the Excel file, select selling agent, column D, go to the sort and filter, custom sort, add label, selling agent is alphabet order, and then at the end we will finally by listing date into order by oldest to newest, add label, listing price, oldest to newest. Okay, it will be fine, it will be sort. Step number 2 is done. Now I have completed step number 2. Now moving on step number 3. Step number 3 is that use the subtotal feature to calculate the average selling price, percentage of asking price and days on market by city. Go to Excel workbook, click on data and go to subtotal. Okay, subtotal feature is selling price, percentage of asking price. Go to selling price. Here is selling price of asking price and days on market by city. Calculate the average selling price of asking price. City by average. Calculate the average selling price of asking price and days on market by city. Selling price and then select percentage of asking price. Okay, step number 3 is completed. Now moving on step number 4. Step number 4 is that group the data using the auto outline feature. Go to the Excel workbook, go to the groups and auto outline. Okay, then collapse the outline to hide to listing data and sale data columns. Go to listing data and sale data column. Okay, click on the select or the outline sample to display the grand average and city average rows only. Only display to the grand average and city average rows only. Go to the do and selling and you can see here it will be fine. Okay, I have done 4 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 5. Step number 5 is that format the average days on market as number with 0 decimal places. Apply wrap text in cell G1 and J1. Set a print area for the range C1 to format the average days on market as number with 0 decimal places. Go to Excel workbook, days on market, and for decimal places go to the first we will apply number format. Go to the number group and select number format. for mark it as number with 0 decimal places. Go to the number group and we will select number format. We will and then decrease decimal place 0. Okay, it will be fine. Then apply wrap text in cell G1 and J1. Go to the Excel workbook. We will apply wrap text G1 and J1. If we apply, then set a print area for the range C1 to J88. Basically, in this setup, we will have to set a print area. Go to the view, then insert. Now go to the page layout. Then we select page setup. Go to the print area. Then first we select this range. First we select this range. Now we will go to print area, set print area. It's very easy. I have done 5 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 6. Step number 6 is that select individually column G and J and change the column weight to 10. Change the row height 24. Basically in this step we will change the column weight. Go to the Excel workbook, select G and J individually. We will select individually column, right click on column G and we will change the weight, change the data to 10. Okay, now select on column J, right click, column weight, select the change the data on 10. Okay, it will be change of it, this column. Now change the row height to 24 for the first row. Okay, basically in this step we will change the row height. Go to the Excel file, we will select first row and right click on this and change row height 24. Okay, change this data. 6th step of this assignment is completed now. Now moving on to step number 7. Step number 7 is that click or display the sale data worksheet and create a blank pivot table on a new worksheet. Name a new worksheet pivot table name. Go to the Excel workbook, click on sale data, create a blank pivot table. Create a blank pivot table. Go to the insert, go to the pivot table. Okay, it will be created pivot table. Name the new worksheet is pivot table. We will move this pivot table to new sheet, or we will change the name of this sheet is pivot table. Right click on this, rename and rename as a pivot table. Name the pivot table average city price. We will have to change the pivot table name, pivot table, and pivot table 1 to average city price. We will change this name. I have done 7 steps of this assignment. You can see 7 step is completed now. Now moving on to step number 8. Step number 8 is that place the city feed in row, the selling agent feed in column. Go to the Excel workbook, right click on this city feed in the row, move city feed in the row, then selling agent feed in the column. We will go to the Excel workbook and we will move selling agent in the column feed. Then we will then asking price and selling price field as a value. Then we will move asking price and selling price as a value. Move to the as a value and asking price and selling price. For the two value fields, display average rather than sum with accounting number format with 0 decimal places. Average rather than sum with accounting number format with 0 decimal. Go to Excel workbook. Sum number format, average rather than sum with 0 with accounting format with 0 decimal places. Go to Excel workbook, number format, accounting number format, no, sorry, 0 decimal places, number format. Okay, average average of selling price, and then we will set 0. Okay, 0 decimal places, it will be done. So now pivot the data by placing the city field below the value field in the columns area and moving the selling giant field to the row area. Okay, moving on. This step, moving on Excel sheet. Pivot the data by placing the city field below the values field in the columns area and moving the selling. Excel workbook. Placing this city field to column and area, the moving the selling agent field to the row area. Go to the Excel workbook, then we will move selling agent field to row area. Okay, done. 8 step is done now. You can see I have done 8 step of this assignment. Now moving on step number 9. Step number 9 is that add a filter to cell B3 to display only Alpine and Center Hills. Okay, we will apply this. Right click on this and we will filter this. Select all, only show Alpine and Center Hills. Okay, only show this Alpine and Center Hills. Okay, so you can see our data. Add a filter. We will have to apply this filter. Okay, 9th step is done now. Moving on step number 10. Step number 10 is that change the selling price of for number 40 from 140,000 to 140,000. Refresh the pivot table. Basically, this step we will change the selling price for number. Okay, go to sales data sheet. Go to this data, select this data, and we will change this data 140,000 to okay, you can see it will be found on this data. Refresh the pivot table. Yes, we can refresh the pivot table. Refresh. Okay, refresh the pivot table. I have done 10 steps of this assignment. No. Moving on step number 11. Step number 11 is that change the width of column A, B, C, D and E to 11. Change the width of column F to 14. Okay, first we change the width of column A, B, C, D, E to 11. Go to Excel workbook. Then we select this A. Okay, change this data width to 11. Then we select column B. Right click on column width, change to 11. Then we select column C. Right click on this column width, change data to 11. Then we select column E, change data to 11. Okay, change the width of column F to 14 and width of column G to 13.14. Now of column G to 13.14. Okay, wrap text as center horizontally, data in the before be wrap text and center data horizontally B4 D4 F4 and D4 wrap text, apply wrap text and center horizontally, then apply F4 and apply center wrap text and center horizontally, and G4 and apply center horizontally, wrap text and center horizontally. Apply the bottom border to the range B4 to E4. First we select these ranges, go to the Excel workbook. Okay, apply bottom border on this ranges. Change the labels in cell A5 to agent. Okay, we will have to change the label in cell A5. Go to Excel workbook, click on cell A5, change the label to agent. Okay, it will be changed. Change the height of row 4 to 40. Row 4, right click on it and change the height 40. Okay, so first we select row and then we change the height. I have done 11 step of this assignment. Now you can see 11 step is completed now. Now moving on step number 12. Step number 12 is that display the sales data worksheet, create a recommended pivot table using sum of selling price by city thumbnail. Change the name of, go to as a workbook, go to the sales data. First we have to create a recommended pivot table using sum of selling price by city thumbnail. Okay, create a recommended pivot table using sum of selling price by thumbnail. Go to Excel workbook. We will have to create a recommended pivot table. Okay, by using this, it will be created. Add city to row area and selling price to value area. Okay, first then we will go to pivot table. We will add city to row area and selling price to value area. City to row area. Okay, add a city to row area and selling price to value area. Go to the Excel workbook. Move selling price to value area and city to row area. Okay, change the name of new pivot table or see selling price. We will change this new pivot table sheet, rename, right click on this and change pivot table. Okay, I have done 12 steps of this assignment. Now move on step number 13. Step number 13, change the value to display average, not sums. Apply the counting number format with 0 decimal place to the value. Apply light blue pivot menu. Go to the Excel workbook. Okay. Average. Okay. Move on this. Go to average. Okay. Average of selling price, average of. Apply the counting number format with 0 decimal place to the value. Apply the, go to the pivot table, Excel workbook, right click on this, number format with the counting number format with 0 decimal places. Okay. Number format, accounting number format with 0 decimal places. Okay. Okay. Apply light blue pivot style between two of the to the pivot table. We will have to change the pivot table style. Go to the design. We will change this design. Now I have done 13 steps of this assignment. Basically I have done 70% of this assignment. For remaining steps, or you want to do for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck. Thank you so much.